Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Death Stranding 2 error code 10070. The error reads, "Network features cannot be used, launching in offline mode." This error comes when players try to connect to the servers, but instead they get kicked off and the game launches in offline mode. According to the research, this error is likely caused by server connectivity issues, network problems, or an outdated game version. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the internet. Once done, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try switching to a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot connection and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, check if the game has a pending update. If yes, install the update and check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, it's likely a server-side issue. So wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.